Welcome back, everyone. It's 5:45 now on Daybreak, and this morning we're sharing some good news out of a really scary situation. This man right here, he's known as Merry Christmas Jay, and he's being deemed a hero after saving a lot of people during the blizzard. Cheektowaga police say he pulled people from their cars and helped them reach safety in a nearby school.
Now, the only reason that we know his name is because of the letter that he wrote. Our sister station in New York City actually had the chance to meet up with Jay to talk about his heroic actions and why he decided to leave that note.
The note just felt like it was something that had to be, left. I was super upset that I had to break a window to get into the school, and I wanted to apologize for breaking the window. And throughout this whole event, I ended up using the janitor's snowblower to pull out cars and clear everyone's cars out and move them all into one spot. That way, when the weather did clear, everyone was able to get in their vehicle and be able to, not worry about their car still being stuck. So I left a note for the janitor also. I apologized to him that I had used a snowblower. I wanted to make sure he knew I took good care of it, and I told him anything I took, I left a note on. But I left a note for mostly the whole school, telling them I'm sorry if there's any charges that have to be paid, or if I have to pay for a window, if I have to pay for some food, then so be it.
But you're alive.
But I'm alive, and so I end up totaling 24 people.
How do you feel?
Very humbled, very humbled. Just I've never been a stranger at helping anyone, but just for it to have an impact like it is and getting recognized for it is just humbling.
In the letter, he apologized for the damage again that he caused by the snowblower and for breaking into the school. And we're happy to report that Jay obviously is not going to face any charges. But
just trying not to die.
I was just going to say that line in there. I was stuck in my truck just